Protecting Microsoft 365 is crucial for safeguarding sensitive business data, ensuring compliance with industry regulations, and preventing unauthorized access. Backup Exec's seamless Microsoft 365 integration delivers robust protection, addressing the critical risk of data loss from accidental deletion, cyber threats, and compliance challenges. Let's review how to add your Microsoft 365 tenant to Backup Exec. To add a Microsoft 365 tenant, we'll select Add from the ribbon bar and select Add Microsoft 365 tenant. We're given the option between Azure Global and Azure China. We're also given the ability to add a public folder administrator if you wish to protect your public folders. We'll click Next. Here you're given a list of applications available. We have Exchange Online, OneDrive, SharePoint Online, and Teams. Once you have selected the applications you would like to protect, check the box saying that you have selected the workloads that are based on your subscription and click Next. On this screen, we're going to go ahead and click this button to copy this code. This code is going to be used to create the application that will allow you to authenticate with your Microsoft 365 tenant during backup. We'll click this link to log in. We will paste our code. Select our administrator account. We'll go ahead and sign in. We'll get a message asking if we're trying to sign into the Microsoft Azure CLI. We'll click Continue. And lastly, we'll get a message letting us know that we need to go back to Backup Exec to continue this configuration. We'll check this box saying we followed the required steps and click Next. We'll click Finish. Our tenant is now available for us to create our first backup. Thank you for watching. For more information or to download a free trial of Backup Exec, please visit arcterra.io/backup-exec.